everyone. So our next question is not boring movies. So till now we have solved the 14th question in the SQL 50 sheet, and this one is the 15th question, which is not boring movies, which is under the basic aggregate functions category. So what we have given, we have one table, cinema, which contains four columns, which is ID, movies, description, and rating. And ID is the primary key, and each row contains the information about the name of the movie, its genre, and its rating. Okay, so what we need to return is we have to return a solution to report the movie with an odd numbered ID and description is not a boring. So for example, we need to return the odd number ID means 1, 3, 5. Okay, these are the odd numbers and which don't have the boring description. Means for the 1, this is a great 3D. For the 3, this is a boring. So we should not return this entry. And for the 5, it is interesting. So in the output, we can see is a interesting and great 3D. And also the main thing is we need to sort it by the rating. The higher rating will come at the first, right? So what we need to do is here, first of all, we need to use the order by clause here because we need to sort and order by descending. Another thing is it should not contain the boring. Okay, it should not contain boring description. Also, okay, this is one the first, this is the second, this is the third, and we need to return the odd ID, odd IDs only. Okay, and then at the last we will check whether these three conditions are satisfied or not. So let's write the solution. We need to select ID, movie, description, rating. Okay, rating from cinema table. Okay, and then condition is where ID should be odd. So for ID, we will use the modulus operator. ID mod 2 equals to 1. Okay, then currently we have the three entries 1, 3, 5, and we need to filter out the boring category. So and description should not boring description. Okay, and at the last we need to use the order by rating and descending. Okay, let's hit the submit button. Yeah, accepted, and then submit. Yeah, it was a simple one. Let's meet in the second question.